Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rounded corners to your images in Canva. Rounded corners are a quick, elegant way to make photos feel modern and approachable. Whether you're designing a social post, a thumbnail, or a slide, they soften hard edges without distracting from your content. Rounded corners also add a touch of professionalism, making your visuals look more polished. Additionally, they help your design feel more cohesive with curved buttons, icons, or logos, creating a harmonious and unified look across your entire design. Start by opening the project you're working on in Canva. Once your design is visible, click the image you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it, and the top toolbar updates with image-related options. If the toolbar doesn't change, click again to make sure you've selected the image itself and not a background or a text layer. A clear selection is the key to seeing the right controls, so it's essential to double-check that you're working with the right layer before proceeding. Now, look toward the top toolbar. Near the border or stroke style controls, you'll find the corner rounding option. It's represented by a small, arc-shaped icon. This is your shortcut to adding those smooth, rounded edges. Click that icon to open the control. If your screen is narrow and you don't see it immediately, try widening your window or zooming out a bit so the full toolbar becomes visible. The icon placement can shift slightly depending on your screen size, but it will always be near the stroke or border settings. If you're working on a smaller screen, consider zooming out or adjusting the layout for easy access to all tools. With the corner rounding panel open, drag the slider to the right to round the corners of your image. You'll see the effect update instantly on the canvas, making it easy to stop when it looks just right. If the corners start to eat into important parts of your photo, such as a logo or key text, simply slide back to the left to reduce the curve. Sliding all the way to the left brings you back to crisp, square corners, so nothing you do here is permanent or risky. It's a flexible adjustment that lets you experiment without fear of making a mistake. This non-destructive feature is perfect for trying out different looks until you find the one that best suits your design. A quick styling tip: subtle rounding tends to look clean and professional, while a stronger curve gives a friendly, pill-like feel. For example, if you're designing a sleek corporate social media post, opt for a softer curve to keep it elegant. However, if you're designing for a more playful or casual brand, you can increase the curve to add a more approachable vibe. Think about the rest of your layout as well. Curved buttons, badges, or icons pair well with rounded photos, creating a cohesive design language. Try to keep the amount of rounding consistent across similar images for a polished, unified look. This consistency will elevate your design, making it feel intentional and cohesive rather than mismatched. This adjustment is non-destructive, so you can continue editing with confidence. You can resize or move the image, and your rounded corners will remain applied, ensuring that your changes are kept intact no matter how much you tweak the rest of your design. This feature is especially useful when you're creating multiple elements for your Shopify store, like product images, banners, and promotional graphics, ensuring a seamless look across all assets. Remember that the change applies only to the image you selected, so different images in the same design can have different corner radii if that suits your layout. This flexibility gives you the freedom to tailor each image to its specific purpose. And that's it. Open your project, select the image, click the corner rounding arc icon near stroke style, and use the slider to find the perfect amount of roundness. With just a few clicks, you can transform your visuals into sleek, professional-looking designs. Enjoy giving your visuals that smooth, refined finish, and feel free to experiment with different corner radii to suit the vibe of your project.